Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and safe at home. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays. Now back to the class. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is infant rescue. So before starting the lesson, can you name few wild animals? Yes, this is lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe. This is a story of an elephant. Let's see. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is infant rescue. Before that, we will do warm up. Think and talk about any three dangers that wild animals in forests face. So what are the dangers that wild animals face in forest? Some of them are habitat destruction, illegal wildlife trade, pollution, climate change. Yes? So these are some of the dangers that wild animals face in forest. Now let's start the lesson. The road from Mittupalayam to Tikampatti looked beautiful in the bright moonlight. The hills in the distance and the forest with its leafy trees shone with a silvery light. In the silence of the night, there was the sound of a tractor. A farmer returning home. In the distance, he could see some elephants. They'll go back into the forest soon, he thought. So, how do the road look? Road looked beautiful in the bright moonlight. So, what sound it was? It was the sound of a tractor. Who was returning home? A farmer was returning home. What he could see in the distance? He could see some elephants. What he thought? He thought they will go back into the forest soon. Next paragraph. But the elephants thought differently. As he came a little closer, he saw a cow elephant blocking the road. She seemed nervous. Something was wrong. He turned off the engine and waited for some time, but the elephant was getting more and more restless. He decided to alert the forest department. So, how did the elephants think? Elephants thought. What did he see? He saw a cow elephant blocking the road. She seemed nervous. So, what is the meaning of cow elephant here? A female elephant. She was blocking the road. How did she look? She looked nervous. Nervous means a little scared and in tension. Something was wrong. So what did he do? He turned off the engine and he waited for some time. But the elephant was getting more and more restless. What is the meaning of restless, children? Feeling uneasy. So what did he decide? He decided to alert the forest department. Next, children. P. Sarath Kumar, a forest guard, and 5 others came quickly. The elephant was near the banks of the Bhavani river. They spent 3 hours trying to send the elephant back into the forest. But she would cross the road and then come back to the same spot where they had found her. Why? They wondered. Who came quickly? P. Sarath Kumar. He was a forest guard, and 5 others along with him. They came quickly. Where was the elephant? Elephant was near the banks of the Bhavani river. How much time did they spend to send the elephant back? They spent 3 hours trying to send the elephant back into the forest. But she would cross the road and then come back to the same spot where they had found her. So they were wondering why she is coming back. Next paragraph. As if to answer their question, they heard the cry of a baby elephant. But where was it? They started searching and found the calf, a 10-day-old baby with a tender, pink tipped trunk and fine soft hair on its head and back. They felt so sorry for the little creature. So what did they hear? they heard the cry of a baby elephant. It was a... What did they found? They started searching and found the calf. Calf is the baby elephant. How old was the calf? Calf was 10-day-old baby. How was it? It was with a tender. It was very tender. Tender means very gentle and kind. It was pink-tipped trunk and fine soft hair on its head and back. They felt so sorry for the little creature. For whom did they feel sorry? For the little creature. Now, the next one. The little thing was stuck in a sandy hole, weak and tired from hunger. The rescuers quickly made arrangements to feed the baby with glucose and coconut water. They managed to lift the calf out of the sandy pit, but the calf was still too frightened and weak to walk on its own. So, who was stuck in the sandy hole? It was the calf who was stuck in the sandy hole. How did it look? It looked weak and tired. It was tired from hunger. The rescuers quickly made arrangements to feed the baby. What did they feed the baby? They feed the glucose and coconut water. They managed to lift the calf out of the sandy pit. How was the calf? Calf was still too frightened and weak to walk on its own. Frightened means afraid. Come to the next page, children, that is page number 86. The forest officials knew that the mother was close by. If they did not act fast, the mother could attack them. That was when Sarat Kumar decided to do a great act of kindness and bravery. He picked up the calf, carried it on his shoulders, and walked towards the forest. It was quicker and safer that way. After carrying the baby elephant for about 50 meters, he put it down near a water hole, hoping the mother would find it. So, what did forest officials know? Forest officials knew that the mother was close by. Whose mother? The calf mother. What did Sarat Kumar decide? Sarat Kumar decided to do a great act of kindness and bravery. What did he pick up? He picked up the calf, carried it on his shoulders, and he walked towards the forest. After carrying baby elephant, what did he do? What did he do, children? After carrying the baby elephant, after 50 meters, he put it down near a water hole. What is a water hole? A natural hollow where rainwater collects, hoping the mother would find it. Next paragraph. A few hours later, Sarat Kumar went to the water hole. The calf wasn't there. The mother and her calf had gone safely into the forest. He heard an elephant trumpet. Maybe it was her way of saying thank you for rescuing my infant. Where did Sarat Kumar go after few hours? He went to the water hole. The calf wasn't there. Where did they go? The mother and her calf had gone safely into the forest. What did he hear? He heard an elephant trumpet. What is in trumpet? Trumpet means make a sound through its trunk. The elephant makes a sound through its trunk. So he thought maybe it is her way of saying thank you for rescuing my infant. Rescuing means save from danger. Sarat Kumar has saved the calf from danger. Infant means baby. Okay, children. Now we'll do the next bit on page number 86. Understand and answer. A1. Choose the correct options to complete the sentences. The farmer was A. Responsible man, or B. A careless man. The farmer was a responsible man. Tick the A1. Second one, the forest guard found the elephant A. inside the forest or B. near the banks of a river. They found it near the banks of a river. Third one, the men were alerted by the cry of the baby elephant or the mother elephant. It was the baby elephant. Fourth one, the calf could not walk because it was weak and frightened or did not know how to walk. It was weak and frightened. Come to next page. Page number 87. Fifth one, the forest officials felt that the cow elephant trumpeted to A1. Ask the men to go away from the forest area, or B. Thank the men for rescuing her baby. It is B. Thank the men for rescuing her baby. Question answers we will write down in classwork, children. Let's do this bit. Words with less. Read this sentence. The farmer saw that the elephant was getting more and more restless. When we add less to a word, it means without. So, restless means without rest or unable to rest. Here we are adding less to the word rest. So, it becomes without rest or unable to rest. We can also form the antonyms of some words by adding less to them. For example, restful, restless. So, they becomes opposites also. Careful, careless. Now, next one. Complete the sentences with words from the box. First one. That man lives on the street. He is, which one, children? Homeless. Write on homeless. Second one. Don't beat the puppy. The poor animal is harmless. Write on harmless. Third one. Some birds have wings, but they cannot fly. They are flightless. Fourth one. Anna keeps losing her pencils. She is a dash girl. She is a careless girl. Fifth one. Explorers are dash people. Nothing frightens them. It's fearless. Sixth one. It was a dark dash night. It was a dark moonless night. Complete this 2 bits, children, and read the lesson. Bye.